Important note: RBC Bank, USA, primarily caters to Canadians who want US banking services. Therefore, the eligibility and application process often consider your Canadian credit history and RBC relationship. General steps. 1. Check RBC Bank, USA, website. Go to the official RBC Bank, USA, website, likely a separate site from the main RBC Royal Bank of Canada site. Look for US credit cards under their cross-border banking or personal banking sections. 2. Explore available credit cards. RBC Bank, USA, offers specific cards designed for Canadians, such as the RBC Visa Signature Black US Credit Card and the RBC US Dollar Visa Gold Credit Card. Review the benefits of each card, including rewards, avion points, no foreign transaction fees, and insurance coverage. 3. Eligibility requirements. Canadian resident. You will likely need to be a Canadian resident. RBC relationship. Having an existing relationship with RBC Royal Bank of Canada can be beneficial, as they may use your Canadian credit history to help you qualify. US address. Potentially, while not always a strict requirement to apply, having a US address might be beneficial for building a US credit history. 4. Gather your information. You'll generally need your full name and Canadian address, date of birth, social insurance number, SIN, optional but may help with the application, contact information, phone, email, details about your RBC Royal Bank accounts, if applicable. 5. Apply online. The RBC Bank, USA, website usually has an Apply Online option for their US credit cards. Follow the instructions on the application form and fill in all the required details accurately. 6. Consider calling. For specific inquiries or if you encounter issues with the online application, you can call RBC Bank, USA, at 1-800-769-2512 or 1-866-756-1107. Key takeaway: the process is often streamlined for existing RBC Canada clients wanting US banking products. They leverage your Canadian financial history to facilitate the application. Make sure to visit the official RBC Bank, USA, website for the most up-to-date information and specific application procedures for their US credit cards.